Hello, I'm Kerstin, or the Scottish Fairy, and I made Scotland my home. Living amongst the tartan army, the bens and lochs, breathtaking scenery where the unicorn is the national animal and fairies are still appreciated, I found my sanctuary. Living in Scotland and her kind, funny, hospitable, helpful and peaceful people was a dream for a long time. But now, after 14 years, I could not be happier to call it my home. Follow me here on YouTube and walk with me through forests, glens, on beaches and impressive ruins. I love my cottage kitchen, and you will see me cooking and baking, as well as crafting many different things depending on the season. I align myself with nature. I talk about life and share my thoughts and offer encouragement to the wonderful community we have built here on the channel. Join in if you like and come along the Scottish Fairy amongst the tartan army.